Hello guys, welcome to another of my video. Today I'll be teaching you how to cut a simple kaftan, a flowing one at that. As you can see, I got this fabric. It's just 2 yards of fabric. It is already joined at the top. It's now up to 2 yards again. You know, once you sew, it will truncate, so it has truncated. About 2 inches is out of it, but that's not a problem. Like I said, that's the joining part. First, you spread your fabric. Then you fold into 4 parts. As you can see, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Since the front neck and the back neck, I'm going to be cutting it. It's going to be the same. So that was why I joined the shoulders together. So let's mark out the neckline. I'll be making use of 3.5 inch. You mark 3.5. You mark. That's for the width. Then for the length, I'll be making use of 6 inches. You mark. Now you join your lines together. This kaftan is really easy. Even if you start sewing today, you can pull this one off. Join your lines together. Then you cut off the neckline. Cut it out. That's done. The next thing I'm going to be doing now, let me show you how to tape your neckline. Some people can decide to just fold it in, but me, I decided to use a bias to turn it. I like bias. They make your work really neat. This is how you place your bias on your dress. Once you sew, open out the bias and sew along this line. I'm using pins to indicate, so you know what to do. You sew all through to the top, then you fold like this and sew on top of this side all through. But let me show you more. You pin. This pin indicates sewing. I'm just using pin to indicate it, so you know what to do. All through the way to the top. Then when that is done, you now come back, you fold it in, and you sew from the outside. That is what gives the neckline that neat finish. You sew all through to the top. That's that. Then for the armhole, I'll be making use of 14 inches. I'm making use of 14 because this is a really free kaftan. Normal armhole are usually 9, between 8 and 9, but I'm making use of 14 because this is a kaftan. You can make use of 10, 12, 14, depends on how free you want it. So you mark along the side of your kaftan all through the way down. This is not an elephant kaftan, so I'm going to be sewing it from the inside, from the reverse side. If it's elephant kaftan, you sew from the outside. Elephant kaftan are the ones that usually have flaps at the end when you sew from outside, but this one you sew from inside. This is like Arabian kaftan. So you do same to the other side. You measure 14 inches. You mark it, and then you sew from the reverse side. Like I said, this is not an elephant kaftan, so you sew from the reverse side all the way down. When you are through, you fold the down of your dress, just hem it. That's all. As you can see, this is the finished dress. I added some applique to it to make it look beautiful. As you can see, this is really easy and simple. Even if you start sewing today, you can really pull this one off. For more videos, subscribe to my YouTube channel, like, comment, and tell me what you think about this video. Did you try it? See you next time, guys. Bye bye.